Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a database in the platform of my phpadmin.net. I'm going to show you how you can also download XAMPP and install it on your Windows, Mac, your Linux operating system, in any of the operating system platform that you're using. I'm also going to show you how you can also do that with your Android OS. So right now what I'm going to do is just to go straight to the browser and type XAMPP. So we're going to click on that. Click on any of the browser you're using. I'm using Chrome. I'm just going to type that. Look at the top of the browser window here. Look at this. You can see there's written phpmyadmin.net. That is www.phpmyadmin.net. When that comes out, it's going to bring out these pages: download page, download alpha, try demo, and donate pages. So if you want to download and install this in your system, just click on the download. When you click on the download, it will take you to the download page, which is here. You're going to select the one you want, but it's not downloading. But to me, I don't need it, so I'm going to pause it. So what I need to do is just click back. I will go back to the home page of the phpmyadmin.net page. So when I will go there, it's still loading. I need to do something. I need to pause this. Sorry, I need to pause this. I already installed it on my system. So what you'll be looking at now is the Android version. Click this close. Yeah, thank you. Click on try demo. When you click on the try demo, it's going to take you to a page where you can actually create a database. But bear in mind that the try demo is just for test running. You understand? It's just like in a tutorial class, you need to create something that can actually make you to communicate with the lecturer. All you have to do is just log into this fucking site and click on the try demo. You show you how to create a database, add primary key, there is a unique identifier, and set up the attribute of such, and collect it and set it up anyhow you want, and set the query. Here it comes out. The next thing you need to do here now is to click on database. You see that page, you see the window that is written databases. Click on it. When you click on that and wait for it to load, you see this column here that is written database name. All you have to do is type the name of the database. For example, I'm going to use Ukemi Tutor. I'm going to use Ukemi Tutor. So when I use Ukemi Tutor, then I'm going to click Great. Allow it to load. After loading, it will show you another page where you are going to create the table for that particular database. See, you see the place written name. Click on it. Type the name of the table. For example, let's say code house. So we're going to use code house table. You see the number here, number of columns, that is the number of fields you would like to create in your table. Let's say, for example, you have a username, you have a password, you have a date of birth, you have a local government, you have the region, the state, the city. You understand? That is, you calculate it and know the number of attributes you like that to have, you like your table to have. So those attributes being a field is what you need to increase the number here. To me, sorry, I'm going to create a database that is going to have a username, a password. Yes, username and password. So when I say username and password, let's just say I'm going to use only 2 columns. So I click go. It's going to bring out 2 rows for me to enter the names of the columns. That is the field name. Enter a name for those fields, which I'm going to enter username and password. It's loading. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know where it is, official UK. Please, I'm begging you. Okay, now we have it here. You see the one written add one here. We have created 2 columns. If you need to add extra one column, you can click go here. If you need to add extra 2, you can click 2. So we don't need to add anything, just leave it like that, don't do anything. Okay, now all you have to do now is just to click on this and enter the name, username. Enter name, username. When you enter name, username, you're gonna change it to variable character. You're gonna choose a variable character as the data type that will allow the user to import, because the username can be a combination of numbers, symbols, and a character of such nature, alphabet. You understand? So right now we're gonna use a variable character, that a voucher, and here we're gonna use a password. So we're gonna say this is a pass. It's a password. On the password side, you're gonna also choose it to be variable character, you know, combination of, just like string, a combination of number, symbol can actually form a variable character. You understand? Okay, so when you're done with that, all you need just to do now, I'm going to set a username. You see up here, you're actually going to set the length that the username and password is going to take. I'm going to make username to be a 20 length of word. You understand me? I'm going to make the password to be 8, limited to 8. So when you move, you're going to see another one, default, nothing like default and 8. So I leave it like this. So you see collection, you click on this, I leave it as it is. Okay, you see the attribute is where I'm actually going to say some things if I need it, but I don't need such, so I still leave it. You see the index, the index is where you're going to say the primary key. I wanted to make the username a unique identifier for my table, which means that no 2 individuals is expected to have the same username. One username is taken. You can't take that. You can't take it anymore. You need to take another username. So whenever a user wants to log into your website, you understand, or log into your database, if you enter the same username as taken by another user, you need an issue message that such username is already taken. Please try again. So I'm going to use this as my primary key. You understand? I'm using it as my primary key. It's going to load and bring out another box asking me to accept. I'll say yes, I'm using that. The column size, like I said, is going to be 8. So once I do this, all I need to do now is just say go. Click on the go. It's done. I ain't not much to say. You can leave this as it is. If you like, import some things like text, you're gonna write out if you like. But now this is just for tutorial purposes, so we're not doing much here. Next video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna link it up with your website. After creating a website, let me see, create a school website or you create a tutorial website, you like to link your database so that your visitors can actually log in and log out. I'm gonna be showing you that in my next tutorial. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep up to date as I'll be updating you with the latest and easy step-by-step tutorials that will guide you from the beginner's level to advanced level, and that can actually help your career. You can actually do a lot. You don't need to focus on the government to give a job. You can actually grow the job for yourself. You understand? So right now, when you throw with your table, you have this. We're gonna make it now view 8 on a data sheet view. You're gonna click save. Allow it to load. After loading, you're gonna see still loading. Yeah, click save again. It's not processing it. It's loading. Yep, here comes our table. You have a username. You see the username has a key. The key has the variable character of 20 UTF-8 and before. The same happens with the password. It can only take a limit value of 8. That is the maximum. The same goes with the username, 20 maximum character. So That's how you create a database. The database is set up. All you need now just to link it up. You can see this is table structure. Yeah, that's the table structure. If you want to view it in the relation view, you can click this and view it, how the whole thing is fucking related. Like I did, you want to create a foreign key. You want to create a foreign key, but you need a two table to do that. We don't have a two table now, we only have one, like the registration table and login table. Do you understand? We are using this as a login table. So if you need to create a relationship, you need to create it like registration table. You now link it up, relate it, you username, you relate it with the registration table, such that once any user tries to create an account using the same username, it's gonna pop out a warning message that such username is taken. So if you like to view it in SQL, which stand for structured query language, which is a manipulation language for MySQL, MariaDB, PHP, and so many other database management system uses that to query the database to bring out information. Next time I'm going to give you the tutorial on SQL, how to retrieve data using SQL command manipulation language, data manipulation language, and so on. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your fisher, you came. Thank you.